Hello YouTube, welcome back to Techallien. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step processing or creating a bootable USB flash or flash drive, whether you are installing a new operating system or fixing it or troubleshooting your PC. Having a bootable USB can be a lifesaver. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, I will really appreciate you if you subscribe and click on the like button if you actually like this video, and also turn on the notification bell for you to get more videos like this. So for us to proceed with this, we'll be needing few materials, which is the USB flash drive and the operating system, which is the OS, which is the Windows OS that I'll be using on this for this very tutorial. So I'll be teaching you guys or walking you guys through how to download the Windows operating system and how to install the OS or configure or create a bootable USB flash drive that you'll be using to format or restore your computer or your PC. So without the waste of your time, let's dive into it. So first of all, we'll be needing to download few things, which is the Windows operating system. So first, we'll be heading down to Windows and search for download Windows 11, right? Scroll down to Microsoft, where you see download Windows 11. Have it in mind that what we'll be downloading is the offline. So when you click on download Windows 11, this is the assistant, which is not the one that we'll be needing. So we'll be needing the ISO. So when you scroll down over here to where it says download Windows 11 disk image, you select Windows 11 and running 64-bit operating system, and then click on download. Now you select your language, which we'll be needing English for language and United States, and click on confirm. Now next thing you'll be needing to do is to click on the download, and here is downloading. So it's around 6 gigabytes or 6.2 gigabytes, so it will be downloading. Next thing you will need to do is to go to Rufus and download Rufus. Sorry. Download Rufus. Now you scroll down to where it says rufus.is, and then here you can see you scroll down a little bit, and then you can download the latest version, so which is being launched this year. So let's click on the download, click close, and here you can see we are downloading our Rufus and also downloading our Windows operating system. So already we are done with our download, and our download is now completed. So now what we'll be needing to do is to head over to where it says download. Alright, I'll be extracting this downloaded. So after the extraction, all you need to do is to plug in the USB flash. Now let's plug in our USB. Open up your Rufus. Close the. Alright, so open your Rufus and click on yes. Now from here you can pick up the drive or the USB flash which you want to install, but make sure that it's 8 GB upward. So select the hazard flash drive and then come down here and click on select the Windows. So we'll be heading to our desktop, selecting the Windows. Right here you can see you can change this to GPT or MBR. If your system is not running UEFI or CMS, for those that are running non-CMS, you can select UEFI. For those that are running CMS, you can select MBR. So for me, I prefer selecting GPT. Now from here, you scroll down, give it a name. So I'll call this Techallien. And from here, you show more options. And from here, you show other options too. So we have labeled our disk or our flash drive, and I've already assigned the name. So after that, all you have to do is to click on start and then give it a name. Let's say we create an account name. So an account name creation is only for pre-installment. You don't need to set up an account or type in any account. All you need to do is to just go on with the installation. So let's click on go on with the installation and click OK. Click on yes and click OK again. And here you can see our disk has started creating the installation. So it will take time. All right, we're almost done with the set up. So we are now in 99%, and customizing the window, and the customization include the name that we assigned to the Windows user, or the default Windows user, which is the name we assigned while creating this. And that's the name that every installation that you're going to do will bear, or the user, or the default user that the installation will bear. So it's trying to configure everything, including the GPT, and selecting the exact partition shame you choose, making the proper configuration. So as you can see, we have completed the creation. From here, if I happen to open my file explorer, let's get down to file explorer, head down to my disk, or the hard drive I installed, which is a flash drive. You can see that the Windows has been installed into it. So if I happen to refresh, let's say I want to refresh my my browser, or my file explorer, you should be having kind of a default Windows here, but due to we never assigned that, so there won't be a default Windows. If you want to assign that, make it show up in default Windows, all you have to do is to come over to your Rufus and assign it from here. While assigning, you click on assign after selecting the very disk. For example, say we selected this, so you come here and use USB drive, and then make an assigning to the name or the partition, but it doesn't matter, it will still show up. So for that, we are done with the creation of the bootable flash drive, and as you can see from here, we have everything being set. So for that, we need to test our USB flash. So for that, let's get down and test our. We'll be plugging in the USB device. Let's plug in the USB device. Now when the USB device has indicated, next thing we need to do is to restart our computer. Windows 12 or F12 key. Yours might be F12, F11, F10, or escape key, which is the escape key. So when you are in here, all you need to do is to select the USB, which is the 2, and then allow it. From here you can see that it's already trying to boot into the USB which we created, or into the Windows which we created. So this might take a few moments, and you can see we are putting into the USB device. So from here you can follow up the prompts, click on the next, and then move on and follow the on-screen instruction to install. Please, if you like this video, do click on like and also share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.